Hello beautiful friends, welcome to Cassia Naturals. If you're new on my channel, you're so welcome. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to make aloe vera oil and how aloe vera can help to grow your natural hair. So like I've had been in this protective hairstyle for 1 week, so now we are undoing this protective style so that we can prepare for our weekly regimen. So like we are trying out to grow our hair. So after removing the aloe from the leaves, place the aloe. In fact, you need to get the odd thicker leaves from the outside of the plant and make sure that you remove the yellow latex, that is aloe. Make sure that you immerse in water for at least hours or minutes, at least 30 minutes if you don't have much time. Yes, and then let them sit in the water. After sitting in the water, and then you can discard the latex. So like now we are just washing them. Yes, as you can see, like the water has changed to yellow, meaning that that is the yellow the latex which is in there, which is so dangerous to your body as well as your hair. So after discarding, make sure that you rinse your aloe again. This is very important. Make sure that it's clean, it's free from all aloe, as you can see. Yes, so you don't have to skip this very step. It's very, very important. Yes, so once you are done, make sure that you get a sharp knife to remove the spiny ends of the aloe. So now we'll be cutting off those sharp edges of the spiny ends of the aloe, and you have to be very you need to be very careful so that you don't hurt yourself. If you want, you can even put on gloves just for safety measures. So to my 78 subscribers, thank you so much, dear friends, for your love and your support. You are my jewels. God bless you. So like we want to grow this channel so that we can keep on posting and improving our channel. So like aloe vera is very good for like it has been used to improve hair healthy and less breakage, which contributes to hair. So in general, like there are many species of aloe, and you also discover that the aloe has been used for thousands of years. Since early in 1750 BC, there are more than 450 species of aloe. It's a succulent plant that grows in hot and dry climate around the world. So aloe vera strengthens the hair. Has many active ingredients and minerals that can help strengthen your hair. It has fatty acids and amino acids, and it's rich in vitamins A, B12, C, and E. They play a part in healthy hair. So aloe also contributes to, like it decreases greasy hair. Aloe has enzymes that break down fatty and so strips your hair of any extra oil. It helps itchy scalp, seborrheic dermatitis, which is a common inflammatory skin condition that affects your scalp. It causes dandruff, red skin, and scaly patches. So researchers have found that aloe can significantly decrease the scaliness and itchiness of the scalp. So it protects from UV damage. A study found that fresh aloe juice offers protect from UV radiation that comes from the sun, or UV exposure can cause hair like to lose its shine and color and make it rough and less elastic, leading to breakage. So the amount of protection from UV light depends on the type of hair. And some people say aloe vera helps with the hair growth, but there is no scientific proof. However, researchers believe that alanine, a chemical compound in the plant, is a primary factor in promoting hair growth, as found in people with hair loss and hair loss, which is called alopecia. So aloe has been used to improve the healthy hair and less breakage, which contributes to hair growth. Now, risk. In general, there are few risk involving aloe on the skin. Some people may at least, they may develop a skin rash. So you have to check to be sure by rubbing a small amount of aloe in the inside of your wrist and wait about 2 hours to see if your skin has a reaction. So it is very important. So now we are done like cutting our aloe vera. If you want, you can blend them, but I didn't want to blend them. I just wanted like to cut them in smaller pieces. And then now we are placing them in a pan and we are going to use coconut oil. So so we are going in with 250 gram of coconut oil. So like I really love coconut oil. I have dedicated a video specifically in coconut oil. You can check that video out, or I'll link it in the description box below. So coconut oil is very different from most of other oils and contains a unique composition of fatty acids. So the fatty acids are about 90% saturated, but coconut oil is perhaps most unique for its high content of saturated fat lauric acid, which makes up around 40% of its fat content. So this means coconut oil is highly resistant to oxidation at high heat. So it's very good for this. So meaning that it's very suitable for, heating cooking method like frying. At all is also good like for hair. It penetrates into the cortex. This help condition, moisturize, and strengthen hair. It reduces damage to your hair cuticles during combing, especially wet combing. And coconut oil is good at reducing the swelling of the hair shaft when hair is immersed in water, which protects the cuticles from high growth fatigue. So now we are done. We are just, placing our oil and our aloe leaves in a strainer, straining, and then we are pressing with a spatula just to make sure that we are not left with any oil, so that we can scoop or get all our oil. So now it's ready. As you can see, it looks so beautiful. So like if you want me to be posting more of such videos, consider subscribing and comment in the section below if you are going to make this oil or you've ever tried making this oil. Of course, like I've also done quite a number of videos on aloe. I've even made infused aloe vera oil. You can check that video out, or I'll link it in the description box below. So at this point, I'm going to use it as a pre-shampoo. So you can use this oil to seal in your moisture, to do hot oil treatments, pre-shampoo, in your deep conditioner, like just to fortify your deep conditioner. So it's very good. Even for moisturizing. So now we are just undoing these simple braids which are done. Like I keep my braids in, or my protective hairstyle in, for 1 week, and then I wash my hair. So like I do a weekly routine. I'm in a challenge where I've been using rice water and onion juice. Yes, like my hair started breaking in August, so I embarked on a journey in September. Actually, it's ending in November 1st, so it's a 2-week hair challenge. And like I've seen an improvement because my hair isn't breaking. Yes, so like I've been doing all I can to optimize my hair. Yes, and I don't do high maintenance hairstyles. I do low manipulation hairstyles which do not wreak havoc on our edges. So it's very important, like to do low manipulation hairstyles if you're trying to grow out your hair and avoid heat. Like I don't use heat in my regimen. The only time I use heat is when I'm deep conditioning. That is indirect heat. Yes, and make sure that you are eating well. Healthy is by choice, not by chance. So like if you eat well, everything is going to be reflected outside. You have good skin, good hair, everything will be perfect. Yes, and like I involve God in everything that I do. Yes. So now we are massaging our scalp. So massaging comes in very handy. So now we are ready to use our oil. So now I didn't immerse this oil in water because it's already warm. Yes, so make sure that you pour it on your scalp and throughout your hair strands, and then you massage it in. And then once you are satisfied with what you're doing, and then you braid that section. So like I really love working in sections because it helps to cover whatever product you are using to be well coated to every hair strand. So like I'll continue doing the same, and then after I'm done, I'm going to put on a plastic cup. So you have to make sure that you double your caps, because you need to leave in your pre-shampoo like overnight. So time is the key. You have to make sure that you leave it in for hours. I usually leave mine in for like overnight for it to penetrate. So it's very, very important. So at this point we are done. I'm happy. Now like the oil was dripping, you don't have to be worried about that. So that is how much is left. In fact, today I wasn't heavy handed. I'm happy, so I'm going to use this oil to seal in the moisture. So now we are getting our plastic. This is very important. Make sure that you put on a plastic or a shower cup. And I'm getting another plastic bag. Like plastic bags come in very handy. So this really helps like your oil not to be dripping throughout your body, or if you are going to sleep, you won't spoil your bedding. We don't want to spoil our bedding. So now we are getting a scarf. Go in with whatever you use. You can even use a t-shirt, which you don't normally use, or a scarf, whatever is convenient to you, and then you tie it, put it on flake, and yeah, great to go. As you can see, like it looks beautiful. Yes, so we are just like tucking in the plastic. Yes, so are you going to make this oil? Thank you so much for watching, dear friends, this video. God bless you. See you in my next video. Bye bye.